Okay, so I'm just going to be going over the trade that I took today on NQ. Now, as you can see, price has taken out all-time highs once again. Today was an extremely bullish day. As you can see, off open right here, we have had a move of 186 points straight off open. But anyway, I'm going to be going over what my outlook was for today. So as you can see here, we on the 4 hour on ES, we have taken out this low, and NQ has failed to do so. So we've got a bullish SMT at these lows here. We also have this prominent 4 hour low right here, and as you can see, NQ has taken that out as well as ES. So we have a liquidity sweep and a bullish SMT at the lows. We also have no fair value gaps really in this range here to stop us from going higher. And then we have these fully mitigated fair value gaps here, so I wasn't too worried about them as they have been fully filled already. My main targets for today, I was looking for all this low resistance liquidity get taken out and target this high right here. But as you can see, we took out all this low resistance liquidity and just carried on continuing above this high. So I was looking for a quick continuation play off that. So as you can see right here in my Discord, I was telling everybody this was at 8:43 a.m. New York time, 2:43 for me. I was telling everybody this week has been very range bound. Would love to see a breakout of this range today, preferably to the upside due to being at all-time highs. And then looking back at the markets, as you can see, that is exactly what we did. So right off market open, I was looking for a pullback to this hourly gap right here. The reason I was looking for that, I was looking for us to retest these EMAs right here. As you can see, we just crossed over whilst we created this gap. So I was looking for a retest on these EMAs and to sweep out this low here, which is a 30-minute intermediate term low, as well as the hourly fair value gap open. So I was looking for a quick retest of that, and then the continuation high to take out all these highs here. Another confluence for me being bullish today. As you can see, we have a massive trend line right here. And right here, we got a breakout of that trend line finally, as well as creating the inefficiency. So for me, that just screams bullish. Back up to all-time highs. We're also in a buy model. We've got this sell side curve right here. Then we've got the consolidation, and we meet the inefficiency down here, as well as sweeping out all this liquidity. So that is the main reversal point here. After getting the sell side curve, we are now anticipating the buy side curve. And as you can see here, we got our buy side curve today. So for the trade that I actually took, I took this on my 2 accounts. I took this on my Atlas funded account. Make sure you guys go check them out. There'll be a link in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out. Use code NXTrading at checkout for an extra 30% off your accounts. So yeah, I took 1 trade on my Top Step account, 1 trade on that account. Today was a very risk off day for me. As you can see, we're just continuing higher, so I wasn't willing to put too much risk on any trade. The trade that I did end up taking was this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Everything was screaming bullish to me, so I was looking for a quick continuation up to all-time highs. As you can see, all-time highs right here. We then got this, we started to stall around here, so I knew that price was going to pull back to this fair value gap and then continue up to this high here. And as you can see, entered the trade as soon as price tapped into this fair value gap. Stop loss was below the gap. As soon as we get a candle closure below the gap, we'll come to fill these inefficiencies. I didn't want to be in this trade any longer. My TP was as soon as price took out all-time highs once again for a 1 to 1.2 risk to reward. Yeah, not the best trade in the world. However, it was just completely obvious to me with the amount of screen time that I've had and trading all-time highs before. I just knew that as soon as price comes back to one of these inefficiencies, we will get that continuation higher to all-time highs, and that is exactly what we got. So yeah, make sure you guys also check the link in the description for Atlas Funded. You have some great deals on right now, and you can save yourself some extra cash using code NXTrading. That's going to be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Extremely short video. There wasn't much to go over today. As you can see, it was just a really simple trade, just a continuation scalp up to these highs. But yeah, thank you for watching.